Expedia Virtual Card Declined. First of all, an Expedia Virtual Card is not a regular debit or credit card, and that is why it often gets declined. The most common reason is charging too early. This virtual card only becomes active on the guest's check-in date. If a hotel tries to charge it before that day, the payment will fail automatically. After that, another common issue is expiry. Expedia Virtual Cards usually expire around 180 days after checkout, so if the booking was made long ago, the card may no longer be valid. Sometimes the problem is the payment system. Certain hotel payment processors block these cards due to system settings or category restrictions. In some cases, it is simply a software glitch. Now, how do you fix it? If you are a guest, first of all, check if today is the check-in date. If not, wait until that day. After that, if the card still gets declined, contact Expedia support and request a new virtual card. For incidentals, make sure your personal card is working. If you are a hotel owner, only charge the card on the check-in date and confirm your payment system supports hotel payments. If needed, reauthorize the card or contact Expedia Partner Central. So this is Expedia Virtual Card Declined. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides like this.